Hey, it's Mr. K, Chemistry 30, Unit D review, question 10. Which of the following rows identifies the observed color and the observed effect on pH after the addition of a small amount of HCl to each of the two solutions? Okay, what they're really doing here is they're trying to see if you know the difference between a buffer and not. By definition, a buffer is a weak acid and its conjugate. So we're going to have large equal amounts of weak acid and its conjugate and create a buffer. So what's going to happen here is after I add the HCl, the H2S is going to stay at 6.6. By definition, a buffer is going to have no change. Okay, so I started down here, I started down with solution 2 and identified that it was no change because it's a buffer. All right, I went back then to talk about the color. Now, because we've chosen chlorophenol red, the range is this. At 5.2 and below, it's yellow. 6.8 and above, it's red. Roy G. Biv, at red, orange, yellow. In between, it must be orange. So at 6.6, it would still be orange. And that is what I have here. It stays orange. Next, if I add HCl, now HCl is a strong acid. So as a reminder of my pH scale, 7 is in the middle, 1, let's say 13 or 14. We've got our acid side, we have our base side. Now at 6.6, we have a very weak acid. If I add strong acid to it, it should shift over to become more acidic, meaning it'll go from 6.2 below 5.2, where it will be yellow. No longer orange, and definitely not red. So the acidity should decrease, becoming more acidic, and the overall color should turn yellow. Again, the definition of a buffer is large equal amounts of a weak acid and its conjugate. Please find them, seek them out, and do the right thing. Have a beautiful day.